Hey guys, my name is Tzachi Kraus and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to talk to you about the recent rumors regarding iPhone 14, which in part are not logical. The first who leaked pictures and images of this iPhone is Jon Prosser. According to the leaks which he received from his sources, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will arrive with a notchless screen and its back cameras will be almost completely flat, which kind of reminds us of the iPhone 4 design from 2010. Let's rewind a little and watch Steve Jobs announcing the iPhone 4, which by the way, this October will be a decade to his passing.
For 2010, we're going to take the biggest leap since the original iPhone. And so today, we're introducing iPhone 4, the fourth generation iPhone.
Now I will tell you why, in my opinion, these rumors are in part not logical. And to be precise, I am referring to the back cameras. If we go over all the changes Apple has done in the cameras since the first iPhone until iPhone 13, we can clearly see that as Apple improves the quality of the cameras, every year they take up more place. Proof of this we have just seen in the iPhone 13 Pro. Apple upgraded the camera's quality, enlarged its zoom range, improved the macro lens, added cinema photography, and all of this was enabled due to the lenses which grow instead of decreasing in comparison to the iPhone 12 Pro. In comparison, the notch in the iPhone 13 was made smaller because it was possible. And this is the reason, in my opinion, that there is a chance we will see a notchless iPhone 14, but not back cameras with no bumper. I don't see how the iPhone 14, which is to be supposed to release in September 2022, Apple will succeed to insert all the back cameras into the device while keeping the thin iPhone design which we are used to. Let's talk about another fact. Apple renews the iPhone design every 4 years. This means that the next time we will receive an iPhone with a new design should be in September 2024. The last time we received a new design was in 2020 with the iPhone 12. So according to the rumors, next year we will receive a full notchless screen and flat back cameras. And all of this in a year in which nothing too big supposed to happen? Jon Prosser is one of the leading leakers, and I enjoy watching his reviews. Nevertheless, his sources are not always precise. In any case, we will all know how the iPhone 14 will look like in September 2022. Guys, I would really like to know what you think about my opinion, and whether you are for or against rumors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you may receive future updates. And guys, this really helped me grow on YouTube. Thanks and have a great day.